think it's a good idea to hire a workers' comp lawyer, and here's why. Workers' comp is a complicated system. We've had it in our state for over 100 years. It can be beneficial to the employee, but it can also be beneficial to the employer. And you need someone who's going to be with you, walk you through the process, help you make the decisions, help you get to the doctors if the insurance company for the employer is not getting you to the doctors in a timely fashion. Make sure that you're being paid the appropriate amount of money that you're entitled to. Make sure that when you see a doctor and you have differences with that doctor, make sure that you understand that you have the right to second opinions along the way in a workers' comp case. The employer has the right to direct your medical treatment, but you have rights as well. You have the right to seek a second opinion with your treating physician. You have the right to seek an opinion on how badly you've been hurt and the end result of your injury when you get to the end of your case. But your case is ongoing. Sometimes workers' compensation cases can take years. And whether you hire a lawyer at the beginning of the case or at the end of the case, whether you hire me now or later, the fee's going to be the same. So I always tell my clients when they come to see me, if you want a lawyer, I'm here to help you. My fee is going to be the same regardless of whether you hire me today or 6 months from now. So my advice to them is if you're wanting someone to guide you along the way, to make sure you don't make mistakes in this very complicated system, it's best to go ahead and hire a lawyer as soon as possible.